Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 389th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you a great pancake recipe that'll be perfect for any breakfast or Sunday or holiday brunch. We're going to make chocolate chip pancakes. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to be packed with chocolate chips. And it's also a fun recipe to make with your kids. It's sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pancake recipes playlist, my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist, and my previous video, triple chocolate chip cookies. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your chocolate chips, and preheat your griddle sugar because we're about to cook some chocolate chip pancake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 2 extra large egg whites that's separated. We're going to use the yolks later. And we're going to whip it until it reaches stiff white peaks. Alright my friends, this is what our egg whites look like. Nice stiff peaks, soft white clouds. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to set the egg whites aside while we work on our other ingredients. Alright my friends, in my measuring cup I have 1 cup of evaporated milk. And we're going to add in the 2 extra large egg yolks. One teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And give all this a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set the wet ingredients aside while we work on the dry ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 1/4 cups of self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of white sugar. And give it a quick stir. Alright, so now I'm going to make a well in the center. And we're going to add in the dry ingredients. And whisk everything together until it's well incorporated. And as soon as I get all this mixed in, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. So now we're going to add in the egg whites that we made earlier. And gently fold this in. Alright my friends, I'm through folding in the egg whites. Now it's time to add in the star of the show. The chocolate chips. For this recipe, I'm using a 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, or you can use the semi-sweet, the milk, or white chocolate, or the mini chocolate chips. And stir them in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, our pancake batter is complete. Nice and smooth, and look at the chocolate chips. Smells good. Alright, perfect. Now we're ready to cook our pancakes. Got my griddle nice and hot, or you can use a frying pan. So now I'm going to spray with cooking spray, or you can use butter. I'm going to use my 1/2 cup measurement. We're just going to pour the pancakes right on the griddle. And you can make them any size that you prefer. So now we're going to let the pancakes cook about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Gorgeous. All right, so now we're going to add some butter on top. I love lots and lots of butter on my pancakes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of them and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through cooking my pancakes. I have 3 on my plate. There's a few more things we got to add to them. Some more butter, of course. Some maple syrup. And a few dark chocolate chips on top. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Chocolate chip pancakes. Don't they look delicious? And smells amazing up in this kitchen. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at the chocolate chips inside. Light and tender, full of chocolate goodness. If y'all love chocolate chip and pancakes, y'all gonna love these. These are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Chocolate chip pancakes delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and stay safe.